From the UNDP point of view, I would actually going to highlight the work. The concept of work goes beyond the job employment framework, because the work is actually capture a much broader, dimension, not only including the paid work, but also the unpaid work, like the volunteer work and creative work and all kind of other work, unpaid work, care work, which being women done at home. So one thing I'm going to highlight is that we need to look into the broader aspect, particularly leaving no one behind principle of the 2030 agenda. So that's the first thing. The second one, I would also see that how the we could actually the UN development system and the governments and other stakeholder, private sector, businesses, civil society can work in a more integrated, balanced way in achieving the 2030 agenda, as well as the realization of these fundamental principles and workers' right agenda. Particularly in the last few years, the whole idea of the partnership is broadening. Like 15 years back, when MDG was formulated, it was more like a government agenda. But in the last 3-4 years, increasingly the private sector is showing interest on the taking care of the, or try to addressing the broader agenda of 2030 agenda, sustainable developmental agenda, which is something new and also interesting, welcome idea. And also given this 2030 agenda is much broader, require more funding, more technology transfers and all kind of innovative ideas, since those are things is lies in the private sector. So it is important that we need to find an innovative way of working with other stakeholders. Not just only with the government, also the civil society, but also with the private sector and other academic and other people. Because the issue to me, it is whether the decent work agenda, whether it is the 2030 agenda, it is a complex, a dynamic, and even in the world of work is changing due to the technology changes and other things. So therefore, we need to have a much more active and intensive collaborations among the various stakeholders is critical in realization of this fundamental principle workers' right agenda, decent work agenda, and also the 2030 agenda.